Hello and welcome to the Green Dragonfly Web Designs tutorial on how to create a sitemap for auditing. So what we're going to create is something like this. Just a simple Google Sheets spreadsheet that you can use for when you're going to do a redesign of a website. So for this tutorial, I think we'll use our current website. And when you're going in to do the first steps of creating a redesign of a website, what we like to do is create a sitemap of the current website and then go from there and hand that off to marketing or developers or the designers. And what we typically hand off is something that you can collaborate on. And that's what we use is Google Spreadsheets. And as you can see here, I've already done it on this one, but I'll go through it with you. So the first thing we need to do is create a new. Let's just start from scratch. So you'll just want to go to google.com/sheets. And once you get into something like this, you're going to just click down here, and that opens up a new spreadsheet for you. And then you'll rename this to something. Sitemap for greendragonfly.com. Okay. So what I do, since I've already made this, I'm going to copy this. And I'll give you guys a copy of this as well on our tutorial page. This is how I start out. And it changes from time to time, depending on what kind of website I'm building. For this one, though, it's just a simple, we're doing Green Dragonfly, so we're going to just do top-level pages. So and if you have thousands of pages, which I've done before, it could take literally months to do this. But we're not going to do that. We're going to do the simple one here. It's only got about us, portfolio services, a couple pages under that, a couple pages under here. So it's not that many. So the first one we got is your home and the URL. So I just copy, paste that in there. If you want to change the title, you can change it here. Homepage is a homepage. You can name it whatever you want, index, whatever. We're not going to change the URL on this one. Current function is pretty much a landing page. Function, it's not really any major function other than what a landing page does. So, and then you can add notes here. This is helpful for other designers and developers and SEO experts to look at this stuff. So underneath the home page, everything will be underneath the home page. So as far as hierarchically. So you got your home page, and then all these are underneath the home page. So I start out just by clicking About Us, okay? So on this one, it's on the main page, so you really can't do anything. So you copy and put, it's called the About, what's it called? About Us. So that's what we're going to name it, About Us. It's the URL, and I know that this is the URL for that one. Okay. Maybe someday I might like to just change it to About and change the URL to a actual About page. That's where that comes in handy. So you got About Us, portfolio, copy the URL, go back, got portfolio. The URL is different from the name. So on this one, maybe we want to just name it projects, although I won't do that. But I mean, if you wanted to in the future, and then maybe you wanted to change this to portfolio, you could do that. And then basically I just do that for all of these pages. Services doesn't have a link, but I write it down. What else? Let's go here. Articles, contact us. So articles, contact us, make a payment and newsletter. So when you run out of room here, you're going to have to right click, and we're going to have to add one to the left, a column. And also, we're going to start off with services because it has pages under it. So what we do in packages, so go to services, and we're going to add two above. And then copy the URLs. Oops. And then we got articles, which has a page, and it's actually our blog. So articles is a blog, and then it's got 4 pages under it. Which are development, informational, quotes. Let's just copy this to save time. You guys get the idea. And you just keep going doing that for every page. If there's more pages underneath these, then you just keep adding new columns and rows. So I hope this helps. I wanted to make this as short as possible, but you get the idea. And then once you're done with all this, you can hand this off to the next stage of your development process, whichever that may be, whether it's marketing, SEO, or development, or the designers can use this so they know what the sitemap is. So I hope you enjoy this, and let us know how you guys do your processes. Thanks.